Welcome back, guys, to another good video. This is the Fresh Gamers, and we will be making a big slide. First, you will need paper, then you will need some tape. First, you should get your paper, then you should fold it like a hot dog, then you open it back up. Then fold it in like a triangle. Then just look like this. Then fold this up like that, and it should look like this. If you need to, you should pause the video now and catch up. Then, you see this? You will need to fold this in like that. Then you would need to crease it. Your airplane should look like that so far. Then you fold this side in, and then you crease it. Just saying, you don't need to crease inside a specific side because it's all just going to turn into the same thing, so it's all good. Then it should look like this. Then you should fold it up and crease. See this part? Crease it. Then you should see this part right here. Fold it down so it goes to this line right here. Then you'll do that to the other side. Then you pretty much have it. But if you wanted to buy better, you should get 3 pieces of tape. And then you should take one, put it on the front, and make sure it goes to it tight. Then you should put one on the top, and make sure it's tight too. Then the back part right here, well, the 2 pieces right here on top, and then the back part right here, you will grab your last piece of the 3rd tape, and put it on the back. Put it on the back. You could, if you like, you could put 2, but it still flies very well. That was just a sample. Maybe you should try it for yourself. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe.